In this video, we're going to quickly set up how to solve an ideal gas law problem involving finding pressure. Let's start by writing down our gas law formula, which is PV equals nRT.
What pressure do we have? I'll write the P over here. What's our pressure? Okay, so question mark. What's our volume? 60 liters. You got to put those units down. 60 liters, because now you need your R. So PV equals, okay, N, do you know what N stands for? N means number of moles.
Which is 3.
Do we know our T? Our T has to be in which unit?
It has to be in Kelvin. And what's R? Right, R is 0.0821. And there are different R values, but if you choose to use this R value, pressure absolutely has to be in what unit? Right, atmospheres. Now let's set up the problem. We're not going to punch out the final answer, but we're going to have it all set up. Okay, we're solving for P. Volume is 60. The number of moles is 3. R is 0.0821. And T is 400. Now divide both sides by 60, and we're done.